In recent years, wearing hanbok is one of the most popular activities for tourists visiting Korea. With the frequent appearances of hanbok-wearing Hallyu stars in K-pop and TV shows, more people overseas are showing interest in hanbok. Let's take a look at the Hanbok Workshop in Nigeria, where some 300 participants showed a great deal of enthusiasm. The Korean Cultural Center in Nigeria and Abuja University held the Hanbok Workshop. It was more meaningful as it aimed to convey the hidden meaning and philosophy of hanbok, not just to try it on. The participants learned about the hanbok and Korean culture, including the composition and accessories of the hanbok, how the hanbok represented one's social class, and the special occasions and national holidays in Korea when people wear hanbok. A local Nigerian who participated in the event said, "It feels like a dream to try on hanbok, which I've only seen in Korean movies and TV shows." This event seemingly motivated the participants to have a greater interest in Korea. Since the establishment of diplomatic relations in 1980, Korea and Nigeria have maintained active exchanges, including the Nigerian president's visit to Korea in 2022 and the summit meeting between the leaders of both countries in 2023. Furthermore, the Korean government will host the first ever Korea-Africa Summit from June 4th to 5th, inviting leaders from African countries. We hope this summit, entitled "The Future We Make Together: Shared Growth, Sustainability, and Solidarity," will further enhance the relationships between Korea and the African continent.